All right, I'm back with Shannon again. I hope they can see you though, but I have the light off though. Looking at the decorations and stuff. So I just finished playing her in the 64 game earlier, or was it a few minutes ago?
A few minutes ago.
Okay. So my first time meeting you in your first debut on my show.
And I beat you at the game.
Yeah, you sure did. She cheated, folks.
I did it. I won fair and square.
Yeah, you did. You cheated. Oh yeah. Later on today, I'm gonna do a YouTube live and a Facebook live.
And I'm gonna win fair and square.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna feature on my Facebook live episode. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. If y'all mind though.
No.
And you know I'll be putting my Facebook live videos on YouTube.
Okay.
Yep. How I do it, I don't know how I do it. I just do it. Yep. Anybody you want to shout out to?
No. Just my boyfriend Jamal.
All right. And I would like for you to say hey to Nyla.
Hey Nyla.
And you could say hey to my friend Randy.
Okay. Hi Randy.
Oh yeah, he also have a YouTube channel named Randy TV.
Randy TV. Gotcha.
Yep. So you can call him Randy TV.
Randy TV and you Domino.
Yeah, Domino866 is the name of the channel though.
Okay.
And sometimes I upload my videos on other channels too.
Okay.
D7 and all that, you know. Yeah, that's what it's all about though, you know. So I'd like for you to shout out to say hey to my friend Brittany.
Okay. Hi Brittany.
Okay. So anyway, Brittany, and I would like for you to say hey to my friend Dwayne too.
Okay. Hi Dwayne.
All right, Dwayne. I hope you're watching, bro. He's a joke sometimes. I'm just joking, Dwayne. I know he's watching though.
I hope so.
Previously recorded, you know. In the recording, we watching SpongeBob. You like SpongeBob?
Yes, I do.
And by the way, how you like the decoration?
I love them, especially that one.
Oh yeah, this one right here.
That's
Well, I just put it up yesterday. You know, all these walls was cleared. You know, all year round since then. But the only thing that stood is that plaque right there. That'll do. You know. All right, Shannon.
All right.
Good.
Coming back later?
Say it again.
We coming back to record again later?
Oh yeah, as soon as Jamal get here, I'm gonna introduce y'all to Jamal here.
I can't wait.
Okay. All right then.